Hello friends, today I'm going to do an Ecocut Pro review. So watch my Ecocut review and see if this can help you out and help to extend the life of your wiper blades. On cruise control, doing a steady 50 miles an hour, definitely leaving a certain amount of streakiness, a little bit above the top end of the passenger side. There's water left in a run down there on the downstroke. These blades had never had their edge trimmed, just used blades that were a little worn. So we'll set the cruise control at 50 miles an hour, back onto the A5, go in the reverse direction. Can you hear that screeching? I carried on with the wipers for another 2 days to see if they would get any better with a bit of time. They didn't, so I also tried giving the screen a really good clean, as I show you in this video I'm linking to up here, and I treated the windscreen and the wiper blades with Rain-X. Even with plenty of water on the screen, you can hear that they still screech like mad. And just in case you're thinking to yourself, yeah, well, he must have used cheap shit wipers. Well, not the case. The wipers that are fitted out there that I tried this Ecocut on are Lucas Clear Vision. They've nearly lasted 2 years. They took this edge here, up the very end here, on both sides. It also leaves a run of water there and there. Here you can see a high magnification photograph of the end of the blade where I started cutting from. On this picture at this level of magnification, that looks quite nice, a nice square cut. Now I was able to take this blade into work and look at it under a high magnification inspection camera, which I unfortunately couldn't get any pictures from because it was at work, and I can tell you what you can't see on this picture is that the edge of the blade was quite ragged all the way along. Here you can see the other end of the blade where the cut finishes, and as you can see, the Ecocut isn't capable of cutting squarely right to the very end. On the last few millimeters it leaves the raw worn edge on the rubber blade. Now, as well as trying this out on my Saab, as you've just seen, I have also tried it out prior to the Saab on my son's Polo, my son's Fiesta and my wife's Citroen C1, and I have to say I think it's pretty poor. After trying it out on my Saab here, I decided to open it up and have a look. I bring this in. My own view is that the quality of the device is basically down to the quality of the blade. I couldn't even get the blade to cut a piece of A4 paper. You know, if the blade was a proper razor blade, you know, and really sharp, it should have cut through A4 paper like a hot knife through butter. I think the basic idea is good, and probably the plastic moulding itself is fine, but I think it's down to the blade. The quality of the blade is very poor. Also, this blade got a little bit damp and there was some rust on it. It really should be a stainless steel blade, like a proper razor blade is. For me, as far as I'm concerned, this product is a waste of money. Just replace your blades with good quality blades. Down to 2 stars. I hope you found this video useful. Give it a thumbs up, please. Let me have some comments in the comments box about your experiences. Maybe you've had a much more positive experience than I have. And if this is your first time at my channel, consider subscribing. Thank you very much, and see you on the other side of that screen soon.